Hi! Long time no see, friends. So I bought a new microphone, the Hollyland Lark M2. I bought this with the purpose of doing more outdoor content. On YouTube, there's a handful of reviews and not a lot of them really focus on the sound quality. They mostly focus on the aesthetics. So today, I'll be doing a comprehensive sound test on this guy. You know, when you're making a microphone review for potential buyers, you definitely have to focus on the sound quality. So with that being said, let's finally start the sound test. But before that, here's the world's fastest unboxing. Ta-da! And here it is. What a beauty. The first test will be here in my studio. How does it sound? My room has a lot of junk in it, so it's kind of sound treated. Although I would want to get some acoustic foams sometime in the near future. And we're gonna test this under my shirt. Under the shirt test. Do I still sound great? Still sound good? I'm hoping that the additional layer would make this sound more enclosed, make it resonate more on the chest area, so it sounds heavier on the bass. I don't know what I'm saying, but I hope it makes sense. Noise cancelling test in the studio. It's not gonna make a lot of difference. There's not a lot of noise here. Now we're gonna do a close to the mouth sound test. You know how there's a lot of influencers that use these wireless lavalier microphones like this, handheld, like close to the mouth? I know it looks ridiculous, but I feel like it's a valid test. So, am I peaking? It's important to check your audio levels while you speak in the microphone to make sure you're not peaking. Plosives. Yeah, it's peaking. 1, 2, 3, mic test. And we're gonna repeat the same test with the noise cancellation on. 1, 2, 3, mic test. It's still gonna peak. 1, 2, 3, mic test. Hello, hello, mic test. While I'm still in the studio, I want to do a jacket sound test. Okay, so I'm gonna try to use a puffer jacket because I've read online that some of the reviews say that the magnet doesn't stick very well on thicker clothing. Yeah, let's check the handling noise. Not too bad. Pretty good. I guess if you have thicker clothing with this, then you might have a problem because it's attached on by magnets. So on to the next. Let's do a quick singing test. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. Let's try that with the microphone under my clothes. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. Finally, with noise cancellation. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. Now we're gonna do a guitar test. And now with noise cancelling on. Now we're gonna do a singing and a guitar test at the same time. Barcelona, I still long to hold ya once more. My boots of leather. And with noise cancellation on. I'm holding on your rope, got me 10 feet off the ground. Hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. So does it sound good? Now we're gonna do a washing machine test. Raw dogging the laundry soap. Right. Let's wait a little bit. I'm just using this as a test because this is noisy. Let's go down. It's 2 a.m. and I'm chilling beside my washing machine. Bruh. let's turn on the noise cancellation. It's 2 a.m. and I'm chilling beside my washing machine. Okay, this is an outdoor test. I'm walking outside. It's not that windy today. Let me know if it sounds okay. Let's check the noise cancelling. This is an outdoor test. Mic test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is what it sounds like with a windscreen on. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. And then let's try a windscreen with the noise cancellation on. Hello, mic test, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, mic test. Okay, so this test is for all you aspiring ASMR content creators. Now, I don't really like ASMR particularly, but this is a microphone and we have to cover all of our bases. I don't know how to do ASMR, but I'm just gonna eat chips. This is the best flavor of Doritos. Bottoms up. And with noise cancellation. What am I doing with my life? Now we're gonna do a car test. Alright? Let me know if you can still hear me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, mic test. Now we're gonna turn on the AC to full or max fan speed. The problem with having such a small body for the microphone is that there can be a compromise on the mic quality. So I hope it still sounds good. Now we're gonna turn on the noise cancelling. It's gonna turn green. Noise cancelling on, and the AC is still on max fan speed. So yeah, the noise cancellation on this mic sounds a little bit tinny. And that's the reason why I prefer to apply noise cancellation on my editing software while I'm editing in post. Let's go back to the studio. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that sound test as much as I did making it. Let me know down in the comments below if my video helped you guys in your buying decision. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day. I made this channel cause I was just a little bored. Please subscribe, there's a whole world that we can all explore. We're all born minds to think alive. We're all born minds to think alive.